Hi guys, welcome to SC Talk. Today's tutorial is about how to use SSH key-based authentication. First, we're going to see the default authentication method of SSH, which is password authentication, and then we will see how to use key-based authentication. So first thing, you need to install SSH client in your machine. So if you are on a Ubuntu machine, then SSH will be there by default. So here, this is my local machine. This is a Ubuntu 16.04 machine, and I am using the same version as a server. This is a virtual machine, which is again Ubuntu 16.04. I am going to use this virtual machine, as my server. So in the server, the SSH service should run. So you need to check that for service SSHD status. Oh, SSH service is not running on this server. So first we need to install the OpenSSH server. I'm gonna install the OpenSSH server. So sudo apt install OpenSSH server. This will install the OpenSSH server for us. Okay, it is done. Now you can check the status of the service. The status, yeah, here we go, it is running. So now I'm gonna do something like I'm gonna create a new user, sudo add user, and I'm going to SSH user, and okay, it is asking for the password. I'm giving the password as 1234 and retype the password 1234. Okay, full name I say SSH user, and I'm not going to do something, and all the informations are correct. Okay, now our user is ready. Now let's try to log in to this server from my local machine. So first of all, I need to find what is my IP address is. I can see here it is 192.168.8102. So I'm going back to my local machine, and I'm going to pin 192.168.8 and 102. Yeah, I can pin, which I should be able to log in. SSH user, the username, and I'm going to use this IP. And now let's see, it is asking to add this fingerprint to my machine. Yes, I'm giving yes. Okay, now it is asking for the password for that SSH user. So the password for SSH user was 1234. I'm going to give that 1234. Press enter. Here we go, we are inside the machine. So here SSH user, you can see the username and the host. I'm in the VirtualBox, VirtualBox. This is my server host name, and this is the user that I created earlier. So here you saw that SSH uses a password to authenticate the user. This is the default authentication method of SSH, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use SSH key-based authentication. For that we have to create a key pair, public key and a private key, and then we will publish the public key to the server. So going forward, SSH will use that public key to authenticate the user. So we will not be asked for passwords anymore. So I'm coming back. I exit from this server. Okay, now I am back again my computer, the local machine. There you can see user is talk and the host name is B computer. And okay, here first thing I'm gonna create a key pair. You can use SSH key again, SSH key gen, and I'm giving the type as RSA, and I'm going to give the number of bits as 4096 and enter. So it will generate public key, so you can press enter, no need to passphrase. So here if you want a passphrase you can use. Okay, I'm already set up. Now I'm going to copy this one, SSH copy ID, and I'm going to use SSH user at 192.168.8 and 102. Enter. Yeah, it is asking for the password of this 1 2 3 4. Okay, it's copied. Now let's try to log into the server. SSH username at hostname, that means SSH user at 192.168.8.102, and press enter. So yes, here it should not ask for passwords. Yes, here we are inside the server now. So we were not asked for password to authenticate. So what happened? SSH used the uploaded public key to authenticate the user. That's why it did not ask for password to authenticate the user. So guys, under the line SSH key-based authentication uses the public key cryptography. If you want to find the uploaded public key, so you have to go to the user's home directory. Right now I am inside the SSH user's home directory, and there will be a hidden folder called SSH, this one. So go inside that folder, and there will be a file called authorized keys. This is the file where your public key got copied. Let's print the content. Cat authorized keys. So this is the public key that I uploaded earlier. So you can see my username and the host name is there at the end of the content. So guys, that is all for this tutorial. If you have any questions or queries, please leave a comment. See you in the next tutorial.